Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick special intro because today is actually the 2-year anniversary of me starting to come out to my family. So that's why this look is coming out today. This day will always be a bittersweet day for me, but thank you for watching this video. Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this is not an anime makeup look. This is not a Toots and Tunes. This is just a Pride look. And honestly, I have mixed feelings about this look. Because things happen, I mess up. Anyway, but you know what? I still like it. Anyway, I'm not going to say much more so you can get into the video. Actually, hold on. I am in the process of moving. That's why you have that open with boxes. The boxes over there. My bed's a mess. So I don't know when I'm going to be back to a regular schedule with the weeks because I've had a lot of family in town. I've had a lot of things that have just been like going downhill. But so after I'm done moving, I'm probably going to be back to regular schedule, the marathon weeks. Just wanted to give you that update. Anyway, into the video. Okay, so I took care of my eyebrows and primed and set my lid using Brûlée by Wet n Wild. And the first shade I'm going to be going into today for this rainbow look is actually from the Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette, and it is Star. I'm going to be putting that just above my crease. And I'm going to be using this Sonia Kashuk. It's a blending brush. I got some new brushes. They're so soft. Ugh. And they were on sale. They were on clearance for like $10.50. I'm like, yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm switching to this brush instead. Okay, so now we're going to be going further into the crease, and I'll be taking, let me just put the cheat sheet somewhere. I'll be taking the shade Tangerine, and this is in my Sephora Pro editorial palette. I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush, and we're going to be placing that just below that yellow. We're quickly going to blend. Now sadly, the Sephora Pro palette does not have a red. So instead, I'll be taking a ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow in Paradox. Funny story. So funny story is I actually ended up getting this through Facebook. I was, for some reason, going through this Facebook marketplace, and I ended up finding this. I'm like, kind of want that. And I ended up talking to the girl. Her name was Kiara. She's super sweet. And I was like, well, you know what? I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I asked if it's stained. Apparently it doesn't. Please. But she did warn me, be careful because these are pigmented. So I'm just going to take this and run that directly in the crease and kind of like right in here too. And she said that it did stain her brushes, and I'm like, great, this is a brand new brush. Oh well. So while that is still kind of wet, I'm going to blend. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit more Tangerine to just blend that out. Okay. I like that. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same on this side. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Dina, which is this deep purple. I'm going to place that on the outer third. And then from there, I'm going to go into my Aisha. And yes, I realized I forgot to do it on the other eye. Next, I'm going to take the shade Chris. And next, I'm going to take the shade Jeffrey and fill in the rest of the eye. Okay, so now I'm just going to lightly blend. Okay, so on camera, it's not showing up as well. And it's not as vibrant as I originally intended it to be. But I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to step off camera because I'm going to go do some liner, lashes, mascara, full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I put on the Vlada highlighter for the first time. Very pink. The gold does not show up on me, which is sad because that's why I wanted it, because it was pink and gold. I mean, right here it kind of shows up gold. Everywhere else is showing up pink. And I like it. Trying out some new foundations. A new foundation. I don't know which video is going up first, so. I actually almost did restart the eye because it's not the way I originally wanted it to be, but I'm like, you know what? I always roll with it. Most likely, I'll just redo it next year the way I want to. Anyway, this liner is actually one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. Milani Prismatic Touch. Incredible. Really good liner. Anyway, back to the eyes. So for the lower lash, I'm actually going to take... Oops, that's the wrong palette. So for the lower lash, I'm actually going to take Adi, then Dina, and then Jeffrey. And I'm going to space them out all along here. Okay, so for inner corner highlight, I'll be taking the shade White Gold. For the waterline, I'll be taking Marc Jacobs highliner in Fine Wine. By the way, this is my first time doing makeup with my contacts, so that's fun. Lower lash mascara, Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the lips. Okay, so for lipstick today, I'll be taking this Elias Blush Wickedly Divine Liquid Lipstick in Runic, and I'm going to apply it to my lips. Okay, so I'm going to set my face using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. Okay, so one thing I will say is that this lipstick has a very strong scent. It kinda, for some reason, reminds me of like vanilla something. but not like regular vanilla, more like a vanilla almond or something. So that's the one thing I will say. Okay, so the fun thing about this lipstick is rub it and it becomes even more duochrome. I'm going to let down my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are at the finished look, and I am conflicted, honestly. The eye did not come out the way I wanted it to, except for the liner. The liner is on point. My eyes are popping. This lip I love. So, like, I think it's like a 50-50 look for me. Honestly, I am in a very weird spot with everything. Hold on, this is crooked. Okay. I'm in a very weird spot with everything, so I feel like I feel a little out of it. So first look back to actually doing stuff for within a month, because of family and family and family and family, and actually finally having time to do it. So after not doing anything for a month, I'm like, okay, you know what, could be worse. I like it. I still like it. Obviously, this is not my best look. Like 100% honest, this is not my best look. But at the same time, I love like little things about it. So yeah, I need to stop rambling. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like me and you want to see more, please do please do subscribe and click that little button, bell button, and please press the notification that you want all notifications. Because YouTube keeps trying to screw us over. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.